Hello everyone. Today we will take a look at DIY proof of concept of project LED strip dimmer and call bell, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Link to the project is in the description of this video. This is an LED dimmer circuit that saves energy and makes your space look nicer with pretty lighting. And guess what? It can work as a call bell too, which is great for places like offices, hospitals, and homes for the elderly. It functions as both an LED dimmer and a call bell. It reduces energy consumption by controlling electricity use. Ready to find out how it works? This is a prototype. With the help of a potentiometer, we will change the brightness of LED. We can change mode from here. On changing mode, it will work as a call bell. I hope you can hear. This project works well in places like offices, hospitals, and care homes where you need to manage lights and have an alarm system. It's perfect for saving energy with lights that you can adjust and has a bell system to get attention when needed. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's have a look. The LM556 dual timer IC has two 555 timers together. It controls the LED brightness with one timer and runs the call bell with the other. A potentiometer lets you change how bright the LED are by adjusting the PWM signal's duty cycle. A MOSFET, IRFZ44, acts like a switch that quickly turns the LED lights on and off. A switch starts the call bell. When you press it, it sets off the timer that controls the bell. A speaker makes a sound when the call bell is used. A transistor, BC337, helps the timer power the speaker to make sound. A 12-volt LED strip for testing the circuit. There are also some capacitors, resistors, and diodes in the setup. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components including IC, MOSFET, potentiometer, switch, speaker, transistor, LED, capacitor, resistors and diodes. Now use jumper wires to connect these components following the circuit diagram. Once the circuit is assembled, you can test the circuit after turning on the power supply. You can see the LED are dimming with potentiometer, and also the call bell rings on changing the mode. Voila! It works. So, what did you learn? How to combine different electronic components to make a system with multiple functions. How the dual timer IC can be used for time-based tasks like dimming lights and ringing alarms. Understand pulse width modulation to control how devices behave. Interested in developing your own LED dimmer and call bell system? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.